Hi, myself Uzma, and this is Kaisa Diya.
AOA.
We are basically owner of Cafe Soil Fast Food. When we were actually bored, so we would like to intro you to team. Hi, staff. This is basically George from management.
Hello.
George, Diya would basically like to ask you some question.
Yes, George, tell me how much time you working here, huh?
I think for the last 9 years I've been here.
George was basically our first staff when we opened Cafe Soil Fast Food.
And George, tell me, I send you coaching English, yes?
No, you haven't. It's my native language.
Nonsense. I send you 3-year coaching. This is
George, we would basically like you to say few words in English.
Kindly give intro. Good one, huh?
Hello, yes.
Come close to camera.
Oh, sorry. Hello, my name is George Fulton. I'm a connoisseur of the culinary arts. I'm also a proficient in the use of the confectionery arts, and I'm a graduate of the Cordon Bleu School in Paris.
This is our management who's been for 9 years, and this is English is speaking.
It's Siraiki speaking. You don't know it.
Defense polo ground
Sin club.
driver.
Go work. Idiot bloody.